Hey guys, what's up? Okay, so today we're going to be doing an updated brow routine. I've really been filling my brows lately, so I finally thought it was time to come on camera and show you guys what I've been using. I'm going to be partnering with Sephora for this video, which is very exciting because that's where my go-to is for all my brow products. They're kind of like the brow destination because they carry all the amazing brands and products, whether you're going for something natural or something fluffy or something bold. They kind of have everything you're looking for there. Not to mention that the main product that I'm going to be focusing on today, we're going to get like that microbladed look, like a little pen. I'm so excited to show you guys all about this and what product I'm using. If you want to see how I get this brow look, go ahead and keep on watching. Before I even put any makeup on, my absolute first step whenever I do my brows is I have to carve out the brow first. And this has been like my new routine, my new go-to, and I feel like it's really made my brows pop off just a little extra. I would recommend using a foundation rather than a concealer because the concealer is going to be very, very thick, and the foundation is going to match perfectly with the rest of your face, so it's not going to look crazy. See how it already looks more defined than this brow right here, even though we literally have done nothing. It's literally just creating a highlight around the brow. Now we actually have the shapes of the eyebrows ready to go, because as you can see right here, I've got a lot of sparseness and I'm missing a little bit of hairs where I want the shape to be. So instead of filling in over the actual brow shape and then carving it, which could make them two different shapes, to me this technique just makes it to where I can have them the exact same shape even if the brow hairs are a little bit different, because now I already have it carved out and I know where I want those brow hairs to be. So the coast is clear to go ahead and put the rest of my makeup on real quick. I'm gonna do that and I will be right back to finish up the rest of the brows. Ooh, who is this new person on the screen right now? So I went ahead and did the rest of my face makeup real quick. Usually I probably would do my brows first, but just because I wanted to look fly on camera, honestly. So we're gonna go ahead and finish up the brows. This is the most important step. This is what's going to actually fill in the brows and make them look bomb. This is the Urban Decay Brow Blade. This is what I've been using recently. It's got a little ink stain on one side, and then on the other side, it's got a waterproof brow pencil. What I love about this is it's a tool for everything. Like, you can pretty much get any brow look that you're looking for with this product. I love the ink stain because it gives you like that kind of microblade look. You can draw on little hairs where you don't have any little hairs. Like I said, I got some sparseness right over here. Instead of just filling it all in with a pencil and just have like kind of a flat look, this gives you more dimension. It gives you the hair-like strokes that you're looking for if you want your brows to look natural. And by the way, I am using the shade Dark Drapes. So first I'm going to go in with that waterproof brow pencil, and I'm just going to go in lightly. So you can see they already look so much fuller and just shaped a lot better. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the ink stain now, and I'm gonna draw in some brow hairs. This really makes such a difference. That really just takes it to the next level. You could use the stain when you're doing a very natural brow even, like if you're just gonna go out of the house and you just want a couple extra hair strokes to make everything look really even. It gives, like I said, that microbladed look, so you've got some extra hairs in there. And then the very last step is just to set the brows. So I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel, and that's just going to keep the hairs in place because mine don't just stick up on their own. they need some help.
He needs some milk!
Like, they kind of do their own thing. And yes, drawing in the brow strokes does make them look like they're standing up more straight, but setting them will really help accentuate the fact that you've got hair on your brows and you don't have little bald spots like I actually do. We're camouflaging. Like, get into those hairs though. This is how I do my brows every time that I do a full face of makeup. I love the way it looks because it's very bold, so it goes with the whole face, but you can see all the hair strokes. It just makes it look like I have a lot more full brows than I actually do. Ooh. What do you think, guys? Would you rock these brows? Alright, you guys, so that's it for my updated brow routine. I really hope you enjoyed it. I will go ahead and leave the links down below where you can shop these products from Sephora. And yeah, I hope you like it. Let me know down below what your favorite brow products are. I'd love to know. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.